How to use Google on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use Google on your PS5. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now on the latest generation of PlayStation consoles, which is basically your PS5, they have removed the feature to actually use an internet browser. Because on PS4 and PS3, we basically had an integrated PS4 browser that we could use in order to go ahead and browse Google or whatever else you prefer. But on the recent PS5 update, you can see we do not have that kind of browser. But do not worry, because there is still a way we can basically access Google. And in order to do that, all you have to do is you have to go to your friends section, right? So click the profile icon from the top right and go to your profile. Once you come to your profile, go to your friends and simply select any friend here. Once you select any friend, simply come to the messaging tab of this friend, and when you come to the messaging tab on this friend, you simply want to send them a message known as google.com. As you can see, I've sent them a message called google.com, which means that even if my Google browser or any of the browser is not with me on PlayStation 5, I can still send a message as google.com, and when I send google.com and then I click on it, you'll be able to see I have basically opened up Google. And the good thing about it is that it works. You can also log into your account, you can also change the language, you can also basically go ahead and resize it to a mobile version or to a tablet one, depending upon what you like. This way you'll be able to use Google on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.